Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Robee, back with another YouTube video. Hi, Nai! Hi, Kuya! Say hello! Nakakainis yung itsura niya. Nakakabwisit mga ma'am, sir. By the way, guys, this is my cousin, Jumaira and Jillian. How old are you? 5. 5? 6? 6? Jillian, how old are you? 8. 8? Wow, ang tanda nyo na. Oh my gosh. And then, this is my lovely and beautiful nanay. She's my lola. And then, that's my other lola, Ama. Hi! So we're gonna be vlogging the whole trip, right?
Yes!
Yes.
We are going swimming!
We are going swimming. Ano, post ko siya sa YouTube. Tita June, Tita Lori, hello. So it's 6:30. We basically just swam the whole day. So we got here at about 1. We had lunch and then we just went swimming. The kids are still very much energetic and still in the pool, but I'm gonna call it a break because it's been such a long day because of the drive. And I think now we're just gonna go upstairs and take a shower. Hello! Sino nalo? Oo nga, ang dami.
Hindi madaya siya, gumagawa siya ng rule niya eh. May sunog-sunog, wala namang sunog.
Sunog yun. Day 2. So we had breakfast earlier, and then the others, they went to the falls, but since we already went before, we're just gonna stay here and chill.
In my soul, I can't feel it, and there's a hole in my soul. Can you feel it, can you feel it? You have always worn your flaws upon your sleeve, and I have always buried them deep beneath the ground. Dig them out, let's finish what we started. Dig them out, so nothing's left unturned.
Bob the Builder! Ha?
Doon ako magtago.
So, we just got back from surfing. Ano, sobrang solid. Nakatayo naman ako, di ba? It was really good. My instructor was really nice and he was really understanding. And I had to take a break, syempre, because I have a back problem. So my scoliosis was really taking a lot of the falls that I had. How was your Baler experience?
Chill.
Mommy, alam mo ba? Madami kang fans. Say hi to your fans, aka friends namin ni Ate Abby na tumatawag ka ng 12, uwi na, ganun. Ano masasabi mo sa fans mo?
Okay, Tia.
Huwag kayo
Picturean mo kami ni Mong Tia.
Dahil?
Parang nagalit ang mga parents mo.
I love you, Ma.
Patino.
Hello, mommy. Nanay. Ay, nanay. Hi. Hi, Nay. Also, tinan mo yung nabili namin. Na fan. Sino pakita ko sa'yo? Sobrang cute. Both amazing lolas. Ama and Ama and Nanay. Yes.